Alright, I'm going to replace the shocks on the rear of this 07 Nissan Murano. Alright, once you get the tire off, now here's your shock. Up under here, there are 2 bolts, 14 millimeter. Alright, once you get those top 2 nuts off, right here you'll have a bolt to remove. Alright, that bolt's a 17 millimeter. Alright, after you get that bolt out, you can just push down and pull the other one out. Alright, once you get it out, you take this nut off on top. Alright, on this here, once you get this off, you're going to have 3 pieces. You're going to have top, that center piece, and you're going to have a little cone in the bottom. And then you're also going to have the rubber sleeve. Alright, so there's my new shock. And you push that in. Supposed to pop back out. As you see, this one, it's still in from, it doesn't budge, it stays where you put it. Alright, now I just put it back together. Be careful when you tighten this up, that is your brake line. You do not want to hit it and damage it. Alrighty, your bottom pin more than likely won't line up, so what I did is I just got the jack out of the back and I put it underneath it and I'll raise it up to line that hole up. Alright, if you're using impacts, don't ever start your bolt with an impact. You have a good chance of stripping it or cross-threading it. So always start your fingers Sometimes I'll start my finger and even tighten down some of the ratchet. Helps me put the right socket back on there. Alright, the only thing left to do is put the tire back on. Alright, that's how you replace your rear shocks on the Nissan Murano. It's also good while you get your tire off. Go ahead and inspect your brakes and your rotor. Make sure they are good. If you have any questions, please just feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.